everyone, you are watching the Bharat and Nancy presenting a today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. Ahead of G20 meeting, Jammu and Kashmir, famous Saki Resort Gulmarg gets a facility. Dilemma for Congress as Siddharamaiah and Shiv Kumar remain firm on CM post. Quad summit cancelled after Biden calls off Australia visit due to domestic issue. North Korea is about to launch its first spy satellite as Kim Jong-un said on site. Now news in detail. Ahead of G20 meet that is to be held in Kashmir Valley, the world-famous Saki Resort Gulmarg is all set to welcome to the delegates. Gulmarg has been given a fresh makeover for the event and all necessary arrangements have been put in place. New hoardings make administration of road, adding new spot on the way to Gulmarg. Renovation of shops, hotels and gondola and making it tourist friendly are among the very few things that have been added to the beauty of the world famous Gulmarg Saki Resort. The hoteliers in Gulmarg are extremely happy about all the developmental work by the government. The Congress Legislature Party, which met at a private hotel in Bengaluru on Sunday evening, passed a unanimous resolution authorized All India Congress Committee President M. Mallikarjun Kharge to pick its leader, who will be the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. The CLP meeting was attended by AICC General Secretary KC Venugopal and 3 central observers. Before the meeting, Venugopal and the central observer held a meeting with the leader of opposition in the outgoing assembly, Siddharamaiah, and Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee President DK Shiv Kumar, the two front-runners for the Chief Minister's post. Responding to Joseph Borrell, EU Foreign Policy Chief remark calling for action against India refined product from Russian crude. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Tuesday advised him to look at EU Council regulations. Russian crude is substantially transformed in the third country and not treated as Russian anymore. I would argue you to look at Council Regulation 833 by 2014, said Jaishankar. While Borrell met with Jaishankar at the Trade Technology talks in Brussels, he was not present at the press conference that followed. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. With Open Air album and TTV Dinakaran getting closer, driven by their ouster from the All India Anna Dravida and VK Saskala set to meet OPS soon. This emerging fashion is likely to further strain the ties between AIADMK General Secretary Idupi Palaniswamy and the Bharatiya Janata Party in Tamil Nadu. Expert says the BJP has been keen on tightening various functions to the AIADMK so that the votes do not slip with TTV 5-year-old party. Amma Makal said the Quad Leaders Summit scheduled for May 24 in Sydney was being cancelled following US President Joe Biden. The discussion not go ahead with the planned visit to Australia because of stalled domestic debate selling negotiation. The White House announced early on Wednesday that Biden will return to the US after the complaint of the G7 summit in Japan on May 20, instead of traveling to Papua New Guinea and Australia as earlier planned. Biden spoke to Australian Prime Minister Anthony to inform him to the discussion. The embassies of Kuwait and Jordan reportedly attacked in Sudan over Monday and Tuesday as the fighting between the Sudanese army and parliamentary forces continued a month after the start of the tension. On Tuesday, Kuwaiti Ministry of Foreign Affairs expressed regret over the raid of the residence of Kuwaiti Embassy Military Office and the Jordan Embassy Military Office in Khartoum. Kuwait condemns the attack on the residence of the head of the military office and all form of violence and sabotage, the ministry said in a statement. North Korea state media Korean agency reported that Kim Jong-un inspected a military satellite facility on Tuesday from where the military Renaissance satellite number 1 will be the launch. According to report, Kim Jong also authorized the non-permanent satellite launching preparatory committee's next stage in the action plan. The committee is a group dedicated to launching North Korea's first military intelligence satellite. The White House said on Tuesday, May 16, that President Joe Biden may skip a visit to Australia on upcoming Asia trip because of the US debate selling crisis. The White House National Security spokesperson John Kirby said that Biden would depart from Japan on Wednesday as scheduled, but a subsequent stop in Australia is being re-evaluated. He noted the Biden would meet Indian Prime Minister Modi and Australia Anthony Albanese at the G7 anyway in Hiroshima, Japan. That's all for today. Thank you for watching The Bharat.